a busybody, baby. If you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking.
Hola mis amores, ¿cómo están? So today is Wednesday. I'm currently at work. My manager, she did call me for a shift today at Middle Hall, so I accepted the shift. So I'm currently at work. I'm on my break right now. I just took my break about 30 minutes ago, so I'm on my break. I just have something to eat. So I have 1 hour break. I'll be going back by 3 o'clock. So I'm just here chilling, sitting down, like having a thought of my life, thinking about so many things, thinking about my life, and all is well, all is well. So I'm just sitting here. I'm close to Primark. I'm just sitting here watching everyone pass by, just browsing on my phone. I'll be back to my shift in 20 minutes time. I managed to install my hair this morning. I did this install in like 5 minutes. Well, let's say it's between 6 and 7 minutes. I installed this wig and then I called the wig as well. This is one of my old wigs. So I curled the wig and the curls are still tight since morning. Do you guys want to know the secret to maintain a tight coil? So after you curl the wig, just make sure you spray. Make sure you use your spray. And the hairspray I use is the Elnet. The Elnet, it holds curls for long period of time and it's really good. I've been using that hairspray for like years now. I also use it on my clients as well. So I just spray that on my hair and you can see the coils are just intact. So the coils are just intact. As you can see, this one is literally not moving. It's not going nowhere. Even though I run my hands through it, it's still there. So that's what I used to maintain my curls. I had some girls asking me like, what do you use on your hair? They were like, your hair looks so pretty. I'm like, I just curled my hair and I used some hairspray, and yeah. So everyone was loving my hair today. They were like, oh, your hair is so beautiful, your hair is so lovely, it looks amazing. I'm like, thank you. So that's my secret to maintain coils. And yeah, everyone is just staring at me. I'm talking to myself. No, I'm vlogging. I don't give a heck. If you want to stare, you can stare at me, but I'm doing this for my channel, for my subscribers. Everyone is like, she's talking to herself. Not me. I'm not talking to myself. I'm vlogging. It's called vlog. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my time and I'll be back to work. How does my makeup look today? I did a soft glam. I didn't do too much. Just foundation and blush and concealer, and that's it. And lip gloss. I didn't do too much to my face. Coming to drop the kids off, so that will be perfect for me. So I just have to go straight home. I'm tired, like knackered. Hello guys, good afternoon. Today is Saturday. It's another weekend. Today is the only weekend I don't have any makeup appointments. I don't have any bookings, which I don't know how I feel about it. Obviously, like every day is not the same, and you all know that some weekends are kind of quiet, some weekends are busy, but today is the only weekend I don't have any makeup booking. So basically I'm just chilling, like I'm just relaxing, like spending time with the kids, enjoying my afternoon. So So right now, me and my daughter, we are heading to the supermarket. I want to go get some groceries for the house, and I just thought, since she's not doing anything in the house, that she wants to come out, and the weather is really nice today. It's actually sunny, like the weather is warm. It's actually warm. Yesterday was a bit cold, but today the weather is warm and it's nice, it's sunny. So the weather is lovely today, so I've decided to take my daughter out with me for grocery shopping. So that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna go shop some stuff that we need in the house, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
Been a long day, I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. But you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me, cause it's been a long day. I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. But you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me. Next to me, you keep testing me. I knew that we were meant to be. The connection was mentally, but I wanted you physically. Basically, I'm trying to say is that your body is heavenly, chemically inducing me with ecstasy. The smile in your eyes, I could go endlessly. Angel in disguise, gotta treat her carefully. I despise all these guys that try to step to me. Just knowing her eyes, I'm the recipe to her bakery. I need her and she need me. Nothing could change at the Fago to her blueberry. Nothing could top that if you want. You can see what true love looks like. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Been a long day, I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. But you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me, cause it's been a long day. I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. But you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me. I wish I was with you, like can I convince you to come drop the addy, I pull out like tissue. I don't want no preview, yeah, give me the sequel. I murdered a kitty, no desert like eagle. Let me come show you what I'm about. Leave my kids dancing in your mouth. And if you ready, I'm headed towards the south. After bed, we can hit it in the couch. Found a knob, have you dripping like a
In the car, so we're heading home right now. Hello guys, today's Tuesday and I'm currently at my mom's. So these few days I've been spending some days at my mom's and I'm actually cooking right now. I just want to show you guys what I'm making. So these are all the ingredients I need. So I'm going to be making yam and egg sauce. So this is the yam and baked beans egg sauce. So this is the baked beans, this is the egg. I've brought some gizzard and I've sliced it. I've diced the gizzard. Excuse my nails, I know this is life is lifing. I've bought some chicken breast as well, and I've diced some tomatoes I'm currently frying the onions. The onions is frying, and we've got some yam and plantain right there cooking. So I'm just about to make the yam egg sauce, yam and baked beans egg sauce. So I'm just gonna be making it, and I'll show you guys the outcome.
Slurp it up like you Kelly in a drought. Switching routes, hit the gym, make you shout. But it's all in my head, why can't you just get out? Why I think about you now, I have no clue. Thinking about us in the clouds, drinking soju. You laugh at my jokes with a snort that is so you. There's more to your beauty, can I get to know you? Been a long day, I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. But you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me, cause it's been a long day. I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. But you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next